control panel, digital display of temperature and time, aluminum bottom platen, service time is much longer than iron platen, non-stick Teflon coated heating platen. Below plate can be pulled out for easy arrange fabric. Hardened high-strength pivot points. You can adjust pressure via the spiral pressure device. Operation demo. Switch power on. Press set to set temperature. Press up or down to set it. Press set again to set time. Press up or down to set it. Press set one more time to lock temperature and time. Pull out lower platen. Place fabric. Put vinyl. Start to do heat press. When time counts down to 0, you will hear the warning chime. Remove the vinyl. Process is done.